Yeah.
Edwin!
Hey.
Hey man, you got it, man. You got it. You got it. Well, here's your certificate.
So
You've earned it. Yeah, please.
Cool.
And also, I'm just curious, what did you think of this course? Narda set it up here. She brought me here. She believed that we needed to do this kind of stuff down here.
Yeah.
And you've been to other courses. What did you think of the full spectrum of this whole course, what it encompassed? And what did you think of it?
I think, well, it was great, especially the ERT method, because it's just one method that
Right.
can release a lot of you can use with a lot of different problems, and that's very unique because most courses teach you a lot of methods and you don't know what to use when. It's
Right.
very difficult to like, oh yeah, you have to use that and that, and just mix it up, and now you have just brought it down to one method. Just do this and you release a lot of you can handle a lot of problems. And I think for especially beginners like Sonia and Marloes, that they just started this, that's amazing because you don't have the baggage, and it's like, okay, this is hypnosis, and I think that's very, very good.
Thank you, brother. Thank you